The Springflower Kids Punching Bag is an excellent fitness toy designed for children between 5 and 10 years old, featuring a height-adjustable stand to cater to different heights. This punching bag set includes 2 comfortable boxing gloves made from durable PU leather, ensuring a snug fit for young hands and allowing for effective training. The sturdy base of the bag can be filled with water or sand, providing stability and enabling the bag to withstand vigorous play from energetic kids. With the inclusion of an easy-to-use inflatable pump and clear assembly instructions, setting up the punching bag is a breeze for parents and children alike. This engaging toy is perfect for interactive parent-child activities, fostering bonding while also developing children's social and communication skills. Boxing with this set is not only fun, but also beneficial for children's physical development, helping them build confidence, strength, and hand-eye coordination.